Hi friends, this is Jisamaya, calligraphy master. Today I will explain about how to write an impressive handwriting skills. Previously I taught about capital letters, how to write small letters and with words also. Now, I will explain about how to write capital with sentences, capital letters with sentences. Now, first one is A. A for apple, everybody knows. Now, I am also write with A. An apple. An apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. An apple a day. Keeps doctor close. This is a for an apple. Sentences. Next one is B for bell, bat, birds. Now, B for birds. What is our sentences? Birds are flying in the sky. Birds are flying in the sky. B is over. Now C for camel, cat, so many are there. Camel is the ship of the desert. See children, camel. Camel. Is the ship of the desert. Okay, A, B, C. Sentence also completed. Next one is D. D for doctors. E for flowers are colorful. F for flowers are colorful. Now E. E for eagle. What is the special of eagle? Eagle is the king of the birds. Eagle is the king of the birds. King of the birds, full stop. Next one is F. Flowers are colorful. Failures teaches success. So many are there. Failure teaches success. Or next, F. G. G for geniuses are not born but made. G for geniuses. Geniuses are not born but made. Do you know, children, this meaning? మేధావులు అనేవారు పుట్టరు, మనలోనే తయారవుతారు. But made. I think success people. Who is the success people? APJ Abdul Kalam and Narendra Modi, Einstein, great Mahatma Gandhi. These all are geniuses people. Next one, G after H. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. See, children, honesty. Word complete అయ్యేంత వరకు పెన్ లిఫ్ట్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకే. ఈజ్ స్మాల్ ఆర్ బిగ్, ఎనీవన్. IS is over. Dot. The over. T cross line. Best policy. BST. Honesty is the best policy. Dot. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is over. Next, remaining I. India. Ink. India is a land of festivals. See, children, India is a land of festivals. India is a land of festivals. India is a land of festivals. Next, J, jungle, juice. K, knowledge is power. K for knowledge is power. Over. Next one is a L, M, P, M, N, O, P, P. Children, practice makes a man perfect. It is very, very important. Everyone, every student, every teacher, everybody. Practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. See children, next P, Q, R. R is the important. Rome, it is a great country. Rome was not built in a day. R for Rome. Rome was not built in a day. Over. Last one is very, very important to everyone. Time is the most valuable. It is very, very important. Time is the most valuable. Time is the most time is the most valuable. This is for everyone, all human beings. Children, these all quotations, all sentences, practice daily once. These quotations first, capital letters, beginning with capital letters. Practice daily once or twice. Thank you, children.